Hello, and welcome. In this story, you'll learn 10 useful English words for finding your way in a new city. You will hear words like map, directions, landmark, and subway. Listen carefully and try to repeat them with me. Now, let's begin our story. It is called Lost in a New City. Relax and follow Anna on her trip. Anna was a young woman from a small town. She loved to travel and see new places. One sunny morning, she arrived in a big new city. She had never been there before. Anna stepped off the train and looked around. The station was very busy. There were many people everywhere. The place was crowded. Crowded means full of people, with little space. Anna held her small bag close. She felt excited, but also a little nervous. She wanted to go to her hotel. The hotel was in a quiet part of the city. Anna took out her phone. She wanted to look at a map. A map is a picture that shows the streets and places of a city. But her phone battery was almost empty. The screen went dark. Oh no. Now Anna had no map. She did not know which way to go. Anna walked out of the station and onto the street. The buildings were tall and new to her. She turned left, then right. Soon, she felt lost. Lost means you do not know where you are. Anna stopped at a corner. She took a deep breath. It is okay to feel lost sometimes. She saw a big street crossing in front of her. This is an intersection. An intersection is the place where two streets meet. Cars and people moved through the intersection. Anna waited for the light to change. Then Anna had an idea. She would ask someone for help. Asking for help is always a good choice. She saw a kind woman near a coffee shop. Anna walked over slowly. "Excuse me," said Anna. "Can you help me?" "I am looking for the Garden Hotel." The woman smiled. "Of course," she said. "I can give you directions." Directions are the words that tell you how to get somewhere. "Walk straight down this street," the woman said. "Then turn right at the second intersection. After that, look for a tall clock tower. The clock tower is a famous landmark. A landmark is a big, well-known place that helps you find your way. People use landmarks to remember directions." "Thank you so much," said Anna. The woman smiled and waved goodbye. Anna felt better now. She walked straight down the street, just like the woman said. She walked past shops and small cafes. The street was lively and bright. Soon, she reached the second intersection. Anna turned right, as the woman had told her. Then, far ahead, she saw it. The tall clock tower stood high above the buildings. Anna smiled. The landmark was just where the woman said it would be, but the hotel was still far away. Anna's feet were tired from walking. She saw a sign with a big letter on it. It pointed down some stairs. This was the subway. The subway is a train that runs under the ground. Many people in big cities use the subway every day. Anna walked down the stairs. The subway station was clean and busy. She looked for a signpost to help her. A signpost is a sign that shows the way to different places. The signpost showed two lines. One line went north and one line went south. Anna needed to go north, toward the river. She followed the arrows on the signpost. Soon, she arrived at the platform. The platform is the place where you wait for the train. The platform was crowded again. Many people stood and waited quietly. After a short time, the train arrived. The doors opened, and Anna stepped inside. The train moved fast under the city. Anna watched the dark walls fly past the windows. After 3 stops, Anna got off the train. She walked up the stairs and into the light. Now she was in a quiet neighborhood. A neighborhood is a small part of a city where people live. This neighborhood was calm and green. Small houses stood along the streets. Anna looked around for the clock tower again. She saw it just behind the trees. The landmark helped her once more. She knew she was close now. Anna walked along the quiet street. Then she saw a small green garden. Next to the garden was a sign. It said, "Garden Hotel." Anna had found it at last. Anna smiled a big smile. She was tired, but very happy. She had been lost in a new city, but she found her way, step by step. Anna learned something important that day. When you feel lost, stay calm and ask for help. A map, a kind person, and a clear signpost can guide you anywhere. Now let's review the words you learned today. Listen and say each word with me. A map shows the streets and places of a city. Directions are words that tell you how to get somewhere. An intersection is where two streets meet. A landmark is a big place that helps you find your way. The subway is a train that runs under the ground. Crowded means full of people, with little space. When you are lost, you do not know where you are. A neighborhood is a small part of a city where people live. A platform is where you wait for the train. A signpost is a sign that shows the way to different places. Well done. You just learned 10 useful English words for finding your way in a new city. Try to use these words this week. Practice makes your English stronger every day. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to Fluent Story English. New stories help you learn every week. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next story. Take care and keep learning.